My name is Dhananjaya Chandrachud. I'm presently a judge of the Supreme Court of India since May of 2016. And before I was appointed a judge of the Supreme Court, I was Chief Justice of one of the Indian states, which is the state of Uttar Pradesh, the largest state in India. And before I became a Chief Justice, I was a judge of the Bombay High Court for nearly 13 years. And before that, I was a member of the bar, so I was elevated to the bench from the bar. Well, I think the benefits of a conference like this operate at different levels. For one, the substantive content of the conference gives judges, lawyers, and academicians one platform to bring together their thoughts and share their experiences, and above all learn of what the new cutting-edge technologies are. So that's a source of immense enrichment. It has been a source of immense enrichment for me as a judge. Apart from that, I think for the other participants, I have a team of judges coming in from India. It's a source of wonderful exposure. And it also is an opportunity to establish contacts, networks, to renew our contacts, because I have a very long-standing contact with Deakin University. As a judge of the Bombay High Court, I had students from Deakin come and intern with me. So it's an opportunity to reconnect and meet people. So this has, in that sense, been a wonderful opportunity to learn in the context of disruptive technologies, what it means to the future of the legal profession. Yes, I think our entire perspective here is that technology is of relevance insofar as it promotes efficiency, transparency, and objectivity in public governance, because I'm part of an institution in India, namely the court, which is an institution of public governance in the area of the rule of law. And the object of disruptive technology, if we can call it, or innovative technology, which is perhaps a better expression, is to enable us to do what we are doing much better and to think about ways of our functioning with the aid of technology, which can bring better cognitive skills such as artificial intelligence. The idea of artificial intelligence is not to supplant the human brain or the human mind or the presence of judges, but to provide a facilitative tool to judges to reassess the processes which they follow, to reassess the work which they do, and to ensure that their outcomes are more predictable and consistent, and ultimately provide a wider access to justice to the common citizens. I thought the morning session was absolutely amazing, because we had each one of the participants, and I thought that was very important, because whether they were participants from private industry, IBM or SIFTA, or whether it was a senior counsel, or whether it was a student from Stanford, everybody spoke about the need to strengthen the rule of law and to provide access to information to the users of legal services. So the effort of everyone in that sense is to ensure a wider dissemination of the tools which are today available in terms of modern technology to provide better service to those who are entitled to use our services. Yes, now that I'm a judge of the Supreme Court of India, I'm sure I'd love to welcome students from Deakin, not just Deakin Law School, but other students as well who want to have a taste of the Indian system, to see how we bring some sort of order to a system which has such a high volume of cases. As I said in the morning, we have online in the Indian National Judicial Data Grid 80 million cases, out of which 24 million cases are pending. We have 43 million judgments which have been placed online, and we have as many as 1 million hits per day on our web portal. I'm sure the students would like to see how Indian courts do their work to ensure better rule of law frameworks. And for us, it would be wonderful to have students from Australia to come and visit us and spend as much time as they can doing internships with a judge of the Supreme Court.